Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about the topic lean project management. Friend, this is an important topic as we can see that from the name it is a topic related to project management. However, with respect to project management, it's not a very new term, lean project management. However, you will see this topic in the PMBOK or project management body of knowledge or Rita Mukhai book in the resource chapter. So friend, we will see this topic in detail with respect to project management. Friend, if you are a student and studying project management, so you will definitely see this topic in the exam of PMP or in the university exam. Also, if you are a professional project manager, so again this topic is important for you to understand the importance of lean project management. So let's start. Friend, lean project management. There are three terms lean project management. First of all, try to understand that it is a term, it is a technique used to manage projects. So it is a project management techniques. So the term is lean project management. The goal of lean project management is to maximize value while minimizing the waste. Main concept of lean project management, friend, is that you must have to maximize the value, the output, and minimize the waste. It is the very basic concept, very main concept of lean project management, that is maximize the value, maximize the output, and minimize the waste. What does that mean? Let me give you an example here. See friend, if you are implementing a mobile application, for example you are implementing a mobile application for a customer, or you can say for a bank, and let's assume that you have 5 resources who are developing the mobile application. Let's assume. So if we say that we want to implement the lean project management, so what does that mean? That means that you will focus that all the work should be done with maximum value, like with maximum value, maximum output, and with minimum waste. Waste means friend here that anything who due to which time is wasting, resources are not giving any output. For example, let me give you an example that due to unavailability of internet connection, resources can't work. For example, if if the work hours are 8 hours, and during 8 hours, for example 1 hour daily internet connection is not available, due to which it will consider it as a waste. Why? Because see, the due to unavailability of internet connection, the time is wasting and resources are not giving any output, so this will consider it as a waste. Similarly, you have noticed that you have 5 resources who are working on the mobile application, and out of which 2 resources are just waiting for another resource without any particular reason. You have noticed that these 2 resources doesn't need to wait for other resources, they can work in parallel. So the time they are wasting for other resources to give the result and give the feedback, it can be done in parallel. So the time which they are waiting for other resources, it will consider it as a waste. Okay. Similarly, for example, it's happened many times that whenever they complete some development, so at the time of merging of code, the merging of code is done by manually, and it wastes lots of time, lots of hours. So instead of merging of code manually, they can use any software through which they can merge the code, and it will improve the efficiency as well, and it will decrease the waste. See, so what is the waste here? Waste means anything who is wasting the time, who is not giving any output and just consuming the resources but not giving any output. So here the meaning of waste is like that. And value means some output, some result, some meaningful result. Okay, for example, value means that completion of task on time, completion tasks on within the cost, customer satisfaction. So all these things will be considered as value, and waste is considered as anything who is consuming the resources but not giving any output, not giving any result, and it's just consuming the resources without any output, without any result. So the concept of lean project management here is, friend, that to maximize the value, maximize the output result with minimum waste. Waste means anything which is wasting the time, consuming the resources without any results. So that is the main concept of lean project management. So what are the benefits of lean project management here, friends? It will reduce the lead time. It will low inventory will be low. Why? Because only the inventory which will be needed, it will be consumed, and the inventory which is not needed, it will not be consumed. For example, if you need any particular hardware, server, computer system, so it will be only be utilized when it's needed. If it's not needed, it will not be utilized. So this is a very basic concept of inventory, low inventory. Decrease overall cost, because if you understand the concept of inventory here, the very basic output of that, it will reduce the cost as well. Why? Because if you are using only if you have, for example, if you have 10 servers, 10 computer systems, and you are using only 5 computer systems because only 5 at that moment is needed and 5 are not needed, so it will obviously decrease your operational cost as well. Improve productivity and efficiency, because you are utilizing the resources efficiently with a great mind of effort, so it will obviously improve the productivity and efficiency as well. Quality of work will also be improved. The customer satisfaction will also be improved. So friend, see, whenever we are focused on the lean project management, very basic, very important concept, very important benefit of lean project management is that it will improve the customer satisfaction, and the quality of work, productivity, efficiency will be improved, and the cost and inventory will be reduced. So these are the very basic concepts of the lean project management here. Now friend, the 5 key principles of lean project management are as follows. First of all, you have to specify the value. Value means, friend, the mindset of customer, that what is basically required. Try to understand the concept here. It doesn't mean that what you are thinking by value. You have to think from customer mind, that what customer want. So the value means the output, the desired result with respect to customer point of view, not by your own mindset, by the mind of a customer, what customer wants. So that is called as value here. Then map the value stream. Value stream means map shows the entire process for the creation of the product or a project, like how things will flow, how things will move on. Then make value flow by eliminating the waste. You have to identify that what are the things which are wasting the time and consuming the resources without any output. So you have to eliminate the waste from there. Then make value flow at the pull of the customer. That means the ideal scenario is to only move the project forward or create the product on demand from the customer. That means, friend, that only use that scenario, only use the resources only when they are needed. If they are not needed, doesn't need to use the resources. In the last, the most important, that you the focus on the continuous improvement, like always try to focus on the points, the areas which needs improvement, and continuously improving the process, continuously improving the things. And it basically, it's a continuous cycle. You always try to focusing on the areas which can be improved, through which you can eliminate the waste means the things which are just wasting the time and consuming the resources without any output. So always they are focusing on the continuous improvement of the process. Now here I just want to give you a very simple example of continuous improvement. Let's assume that an organization wide commitment to continuously improve management is essential for sustainable success with lean manufacturing. As its core, lean is continuous improvement. It's a improving product and process while eliminating redundant, excessive, and inefficient activities. For example, friend, you are a supervisor in any manufacturing company. Like for example, let's assume that you are supervisor in car manufacturing company. So here you have to focus that what are the things which are you the con the that are consuming the resources, but they are not providing that they are not improving the output any result. So you have to identify the waste and which you have to eliminate from the process, and you have to see that what things you can use to maximize the output, the results. So that is a very simple example of lean project management. So friends, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and please share it with your other friends as well, so that knowledge can be shared with everyone. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.